Welcome to our newest listing here in Signature Collection on 1994 Hathaway Avenue. Let's go take a look. So Signature Collection is located at the top of Westlake Boulevard, and this gated community consists of 95 single-family homes. So far in 2023, we've had a total of 4 listings, 2 which are in escrow currently, 1 has expired, which making this listing the only active property here in Signature Collection. So in 2022, here in Signature Collection, there were a total of 3 sales with an average sales price of just over $3 million. Average price per square foot, $516. Average days on market, 33 days. And average sales price to list price ratio was 99%, which means homes were selling either at or very close to list price. Thank you for checking out our newest listing here on 1994 Hathaway. If you want to know more information about this property or any other properties we have coming soon to the market, please feel free to reach out. My name is Ernest with SG Associates. I'll see you in the next one.